If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen those flashy MusicEarn ads claiming you can make real cash just by streaming songs. And with more than 14 million people being shown this offer, I had to dig deeper to see whether this 2025 app is a genuine opportunity or just another digital trap dressed up as easy money. The promise sounds tempting. Listen to music. Get paid, but the moment you look past the surface, things start feeling off because the payout numbers don't match any real-world earning model. And the app conveniently pushes you into completing bonus tasks or partner offers before unlocking even a small portion of those supposed earnings. Then come the concerns about security and privacy. Since the platform asks for unnecessary permissions, redirects you through multiple sketchy pages, and operates behind a Google-style domain that looks professional at first glance, but quickly falls apart once you check the registration details or notice the absence of any official listing on major app stores. After signing up, users report a frustrating maze of misleading prompts, confusing verification processes, changing withdrawal thresholds, and endless affiliate funnels that benefit the company far more than the user. And what's even worse is the growing list of comments from people claiming they never received a single payout despite spending hours inside the app. Nothing here screams, confirmed scam, but nothing here feels like a real earning platform either. It sits in that gray area where promises are big, results are questionable, and the risks might be higher than the rewards. So the real question is MusicEarn a clever marketing tactic designed to capture traffic, or a get-rich-quick fantasy that falls apart the moment you try to cash out? Watch until the end, because the truth behind these ads isn't as simple as they want you to believe. And your personal experience matters, so if you've ever clicked on a MusicEarn ad, drop a comment and share what actually happened to you.